Let's talk remote cameras, because when your guest is remote, the camera is remote too. So obviously for remote cameras, we have the built-in webcams and laptops and some desktop computers and all-in-ones. And generally, these aren't very good. We all know how bad they look. The resolution is like 720p, if that. And the camera itself is not great, and it's easily washed out if you've got lighting behind you, like we saw. Or if there's a window to the side, or, God forbid, somebody puts all the windows behind them. You really have no hope unless you want to have a shadow as a guest. Honestly, the selfie cameras on a cell phone or a tablet are a distinct step up. So if you're looking at someone's laptop webcam and it's looking awful and it's got fingerprints on it, or whatever, ask your remote guest, hey, do you have an iPad or a tablet of any kind, a Surface or a Samsung tablet? Let's try to connect with that, see how it looks. And they can literally place it on the screen of their laptop and act as a laptop, but the camera will be better. And they can plug in earbuds right into the tablet and be good to go with both microphone and being able to hear. Now, external USB webcams, other than this one, which I deliberately made look bad, external USB webcams offer a distinct step up over most every computer's internal webcam. So if your guest has an external webcam anywhere in the house or anywhere in the office, have them use it, because it is a definite step up if you want them to have a better image quality for the delivery. And the microphones in those things work better too. I say this with the intent that you actually get a decent webcam. So I'm partial to Logitech. I have 3 of them. And like I said, I've purchased them with my own money. I use them. There are other ones out there. I'm not an expert in every webcam. I have tested a few. And I know that if you're going to spend $15 on Amazon for a 4K webcam, it's not going to be that good. If Logitech is charging $200 for the Brio, there's a reason why a good webcam costs more money. So when I say get a good webcam, I mean at least $50, $50 to $100, around $100 can get you a really good webcam that will deliver a superior picture. You could even change the focus on it, things like that. So now the challenge, if you're going to use an external webcam and they don't have it, the challenge is to get it to the client. Now you can find a webcam if you can find one online, because man, they're hard to source at this point. If you can find them, get one, get a couple, have them, and then use like a bubble mailer and send it out to your client and include a return receipt in there. So when they're done, they stuff it back in the bag, put a new label on top, and send it back to you. This way, you're not without it for a long time. Unless, you have a client you want to impress or something like that, what you could do is, you order it online and drop ship it directly to the client. So you're not paying for any shipping. And then they get the webcam and then they're like, well, what do I do with it? You're like, you know what? Keep it. I loved working with you. Look forward to working with you again. Keep it. Because if you're paying $50, $75, but you've really impressed this person with your skills and your expertise, when they think of, hey, I've got this thing coming up and I need somebody to make me look good, they'll think of you. So just putting that out there. It's not necessarily a streaming tip, but it's a business tip. Stepping up from webcams, there's DSLRs. And there's a lot of DSLRs out there. And not a lot of them are being used right now. So there's a lot of solutions that almost every single camera manufacturer has put together. I started putting together some slides. Here we go. Okay, so like Canon has this EOS Webcam Utility so that you can connect your DSLR directly to the computer itself, and it will appear as a webcam to your software of choice. Panasonic has it, Fuji has it, Sony has it. These solutions are out there to, if your customer, hey, yeah, I've got a couple Sony cameras. Hey, okay, download this software, put your camera on the tripod, put it right over top of your monitor, like I'm doing right now. This that you're looking at right now, this is where's my cursor? There it is. This is a Panasonic. This is an old GH4, but at this point, GH4, GH3, they're both full HD cameras. I'm getting full HD off of it into my mixer, and this is what gives me the depth. This is what gives me the evenness of tone and the clarity over a webcam.